two DS18 6,000 watt amps, two AGMs with only a 370 Beckman oscillator.
Okay.
No lithium.
So which one's your mono block for your subs, and then the others are for your doors?
These are for all my doors. The two cloud 3,000 watt amps.
Okay.
For all my doors, I got two 8s and two 6s in each back door.
Yep.
Two DS18 6,000 watts for the porch rails and two AGMs. Box is tuned to 30 hertz. It's a down for sound.
All right. Use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. What are you worried about on it right now?
I just got. I just had some little electrical issues under the hood.
So the alternator's not doing good right now?
No, alternator's fine. Just a loose wire that I had.
Yes, sir. Can I see the back real quick in the alternator?
Yeah.
Very nice.
370.
Yep. Can I see the back of the box too? There you go. Really good. What was it tuned to?
31 hertz.
31, okay. Really good. Nice. I don't think I've ever heard your system before. This is the first time?
Yeah, it's the
first time. Sorry for making your way, I'm checking it out. What's going on, everybody? I'm Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed that quick walk around we got of Chris's system. This was at the Savannah Seaport Showdown 2022 Savannah, Georgia show. Pretty impressive how loud these four 12-inch subs got in his big SUV. A lot of space. May look like a lot of things going on. Maybe not the cleanest wiring job install, but everything was safe and secure. There was some vibration issues you'll see during the demo, but no issues though. So I noticed the port, sub up, port to the back, with it on the driver's side. This is actually a really nice, clean install for the box. Of course, past the box may not be the cleanest, but it got the job done. And if you want to check out link in the description where to get the subwoofer, you can check it out. It's from Down for Sound. Be sure to use my coupon code JacobViral. This is the subwoofer. It looks like these were rated at 2,000 watts RMS. I'm pretty sure these were the XLs. He didn't really specify which ones. Just know they were the massive audios. And the amplifier, these subs amplifiers were rated at, it says 6,000 watts peak power, but looking at the manual, there's a little quick gut shot. These are only rated at 2,000 watts RMS each. So probably around a 3,000 to 4,000 watt RMS system to his subs and a couple thousand watts to his mid range on all of the four doors. You'll really hear the lyrics of the songs during the demo as well. So 412s on 4,000 watts. Welcome to my channel, Jacob Vile. If you're a new viewer, hit the subscribe button if you want to see more daily car audio videos every day of car audio systems. I've got over 300 systems left to share over the next year, so you got to stay tuned.
I like it. It's not bad. No.
What are you worried about on it right now?
I just got. I just had some little electrical issues under the hood.
So the alternator's not doing good right now?
No, alternator's fine. Just,
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.